Hello guys, what is up? And today I'm going to be doing something I haven't done before. I'm going to be making a clicking simulator tutorial thing. I've never done coding, so don't expect a lot from me. There's probably only going to be like 3 episodes, I don't know, because I don't really know how to do much, but if I learn more then I'll probably get to you about that. But for now, we got some clicking stuff to do, so yeah, so let's go do some clicking stuff right now. So first you have to go to so inside of server script service, insert a script, and then you want to make a leader stat script. So do game dot players dot player added connect function player. So in the next episode, I'll work on doing rebirths if I get them working. If I get the leader stats, working, I'll probably, the leader stats is today, so you want to go make this name to leader stats. And then after that, you want to go to, so basically you want to go create like a leader stat in that. So first you want to go to local leader stats equals 2. If I work on so in this video, we're going to be working on making the click button and kind of, the sidebar which says stuff. So, yeah, we'll work on that as well. So, yeah. So first, what you have to do is you have to goes to instance.new, and then after that you have to do instance.new, and then you want to create a folder about it, and then go to player. Leader stats.name equals to leader stats. So if you're wondering what that just did there, so, you're basically, so you get it. So you're creating a variable for leader stats, making it a brand new folder, and then naming it leader stats. So basically what you're doing is, let me go run the game real quick. So as you can see on the players, you have leader stats. So this is a brand new folder we just created. So now let's work on the click and rebirths. So local clicks equals to instance.new. This time we're going to do an int value, which is a leader stat value basically. So, and then you want to put in leader stats this time. And then clicks.name equals to clicks. But you can also do another command, which is also good for clicking games. If you want the player to start off with 100 clicks for some reason, so if you want to do something like that, you've got to do clicks.value equals to the number. So I'm just going to keep it at like 80 for now. So yeah, don't put those speech marks. I just put it 80. Okay, and then you want to do local rebirth, same thing. Local rebirth equals to instance.new, int value, leader stats, rebirths.name equals to rebirths. And then we're gonna do, yeah, that's it. So we should see those 2 stuff on the top over there. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, it says clicks and rebirths, and then so we have 80 clicks and 0 rebirths. So as you can see, that 80 we put in recently has already became an 80. So yeah, that's for the leader stats. You can go close off server script service. Okay, next you want to go inside starter GUI, make a screen GUI, add an image label. You can do a text, but don't add an image label, add an image button. You want to keep it down here, I guess. I don't know. But you want to keep it down here. Like that. And then as you can see in clicking it, if you played Tapping Adventures, Tapping Gods, etc. You'll get tapping mania. You'll see there's this tiny button on the bottom of your screen where if you click, you get the stuff. So basically that's what we're gonna be doing today, and the sidebar menu. So first, we're just going to start off. We're just gonna start off by making the image. So you wanna go inside images. You might, and then search up, you can go search up click or something. If you find a good one, you can find that one. For example, this one right here, if I can find it, where did it go? Maybe that one, maybe this one. But we're gonna stick with, okay, you know what, here, let's go with a cursor. That's a good one. This one? Nah. You could do that one, but I want it a little animated. Well, I guess we can use this one right here. Okay, so let's go copy the asset ID. And then we're gonna go okay, so we're gonna go to the properties, and then we're gonna go set the image to this right there. So now this should appear. You can set the background if you want. So I'm just gonna set mine to cyan. Oh. Maybe that's not here. We're gonna look for a cursor. Yeah, maybe this cursor right here is good. We don't like that one, do we? This one's good. Okay, so now that you have that, you can go, obviously you have a click button, but it's not, so as you can see, it's not gonna work quite yet. It's not gonna work. See, as you can see, it's not doing anything because we have to script it. So we are, inside of the image button, we're gonna add a local script right there. So inside of the local script, we have to do a few things. So first, you're gonna do so we don't need local rebirths on here until we actually set it up. But we need local clicks. Local clicks equals to player. Oh yeah, wait, don't do local clicks first. Local player equals to game.players.localplayer. And then you want to do, so that's basically for detecting if the player joins. Well, that's not quite yet. So this is the part. Local clicks equals to player wait for child. So it's going to wait for the player to join. Or actually no, it's not going to wait for the player to join. It's going to wait for the local script to activate. Player wait for child. Connect. Wait. No, it wasn't connect. Player wait for child. Wait, here, I think. Okay, so guys, I forgot what was it, so I've checked up on my other games, but in fact, you have to do leader stats here. So leader stats, okay, and then you need to do another wait for child, and then you want to do clicks. Okay, so now that you're done with that, you want to do script, the parent, the mouse button one click, connect, function, and then you want to leave it like that. And so no text in the functions. So after that, you have to do, well, so before that, what does this script do, you might be asking? What does this whole script.parent.mouse button one click thing do? So it basically detects when the player clicks the button. It's not really that big of a deal, but yeah. So you can do mouse button one up. It doesn't really matter unless it's a clicking system. So that's what's going to detect if the player clicks it. So we're going to do clicks.value equals to clicks.value plus 1. So so basically, see, as you can see, whenever I'm pressing the button, it's giving me 1 click. So as you can see, It's right there. It's giving me each click after when I click it. So that seems to be working right. After that, you have to go like so if you want to, okay, so we're going to close this off and call it Click GUI. So we can call it Click GUI, okay? And then you want to go inside the other one. I'm going to go inside another screen GUI, call it Sidebar GUI. And then inside of the Sidebar GUI, you want to add a text label. So this is the part of the video where we make the side label. I'm going to use a bunch of properties. Okay, so yeah, there we go. And then we're gonna do a few things on here. So for the first label, we're gonna text clicks, text scaled, font. I like using this font right here. What was that called again? I like using this font right there. Or actually, let's use this font since it's more like a clicking game. And then let's do the same thing for here, but text is Rebirths. Text scaled. Font. Text. Okay, so now we're set with that. Now we have to code it in, so call this one clicks. Call this one right here clicks. Okay, so let us go, let's rename it to clicks, and then we'll name this one to Rebirths. Okay, so now we're gonna code it. So local script, local Rebirths, or actually, so local clicks equals to the player wait for child thing equals to player, or I forgot about that again. Okay, so local player equals to game.players.local player. Local clicks equals to player, or player wait for child. Player wait for child. Leader stats wait for child. Wait for the child. And then we're gonna go ahead and put inside of here, we're gonna put clicks. Okay, so obviously you know what that was done, so I'm not gonna explain it once again. But yeah, so we don't want to make the video longer, so I'm not gonna explain it again. But let's go put some other code. So you want to do okay, so you have to actually do this. So you have to go back into Starter GUI, Sidebar GUI, and then you have to go inside here, do while wait do, and then you wanna go down, while wait do, and then right here you wanna do script.parent.text equals to clicks.value. So yeah. And then you wanna do okay, so that should work. I don't know if it's gonna work, but why did my game just crash? I don't know why it's crashing. What just happened? Okay, we're in 80. Yeah, okay, obviously it's not working. So you want to do... Okay, wait, I don't know why it's not working. Because we have... Okay. Do that. Okay, here. Okay, so I did something wrong once again, so don't expect me, I'm just a starter. So you have to do while wait do, and the wait you have to do that, and then you know, you're gonna do the do after. So script.parent.text equals to clicks.value. So now it should work, but it shouldn't show clicks. Yeah, okay, so now it's actually working. So as you can see, it's showing over here, but there's one problem with it. It's not showing my thing, so we can't, like, I still don't know how to do that. So, well, you can go inside clicks, and then you can, okay, so you can actually go insert an image label in both of these. So image label. You can copy the image that you already had. So image, so the image I need, boom. Just gonna put that right there and make it a little smaller that it fits in here. And then you want to set the background transparency. I'm gonna set it to 1 so there's no background, and that's how it looks. So we're also gonna make one for Rebirths. So we're gonna find a Rebirth icon. Oh, I guess we'll use this one because we want to make everything blue themed. So we're gonna add an image label again. Make it small as the size over here. I'm gonna make it a little bigger. And background transparency 1. Image. Done. And we're gonna make all this in the right color. So background color, we're gonna make it green, or actually blue, since that's what this game's themed on, I guess. And then we're gonna go set the text color for both of them to 255, 255, 255 to make it white. And then text stroke to 0.5. Okay, that seems good. Actually, I like putting it on 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5. So I like doing it on 0. Well, I kind of like doing it on, if you set it to like, so I like doing it on 0.3 or 0.3 or 0.5. Let's just stick with 0.5 for now. So and then text rebirth, and then we're gonna go do we're gonna set the text stroke again 0.5. Hopefully this is gonna work. Oh yeah, that points prestige thing. Okay. Yeah, and it seems to work. We have one more step left. We have to duplicate this one, put it in the rebirths. And that should be the end for this video. So make sure to like and subscribe. And so yeah, before we do that, we're gonna test this one more thing. In the next episode, hopefully we can make it that how to get the rebirth. So for example, 500. We didn't make the multiplier either yet. So yeah, it's displaying. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.